Tay, that's just beautiful, I have to say.
Excuse me, sir.
So,
Oh, hey. Tay just kicking booty over here.
I'm dead.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Put everybody right. No.
Okay, Kevin, do it again.
alright. Yeah. Get wrecked, Taylor. He's glitching out, dude.
Oh, let go. I wanna try.
If he'll stop.
Just left click. Oh, crap.
Oh, he's back alive. No! How is Taylor still up?
Oh, you're both down now. I just got my baby. Who's a good boy? Who's a good Absalom? Our family's growing quite well, I will say.
Yeah.
I am about to make landfall on Bad Touch Island.
Did you take Samuel?
No, I took Juke Joint Jessica. Bad Touch Island is so hardcore, even the trees are freaking out. They're like, ah! Trees are like, ah, don't go, Jimmy, don't go, it's a trap. There's 6,000 saber. There's 6,000 saber-tooths waiting for you. What's the plural of saber-tooth? Saber-teeths?
I think it's saber-tooth. It's a saber-tooth. It's a saber-tooth.
Right now I'm levitating above Jessica, so I guess the chafing got so bad I learned how to levitate.
Dude, there's some poop. Jen would be stoked.
See, if the T-Rex goes for ankylos, he'll be like, nom nom, oh what the heck, this is like crunch berries with no milk.
Mouth destruction. Can I make a smithy? I don't have enough stone. A smithy.
Tim, I'm about to build the smithy, don't worry about it.
I'm building one at Castle Rock because I need one at Castle Rock.
Oh, okay.